FastMCP 3 implements a provider-based resource discovery mechanism that exposes local skill directories as standardized MCP resources, enabling cross-tool skill sharing and programmatic access. The framework's provider pattern allows components from multiple sources to be aggregated and presented through a unified interface, with each provider handling a specific resource domain. In this episode, we'll examine how the ClaudeSkillsProvider initializes and integrates with a FastMCP server to expose skills from the default Claude Skills directory, demonstrating the provider registration pattern and directory-based skill discovery mechanism. The code reveals how vendor-specific providers extend the base functionality to target platform-specific skill locations, while maintaining the standard MCP resource interface for client interactions. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP server provider skills, import ClaudeSkillsProvider. MCP equals FastMCP Claude Skills. MCP. Add provider ClaudeSkillsProvider hash uses /Claude/skills/. This code demonstrates the FastMCP provider pattern for resource discovery, specifically using the ClaudeSkillsProvider to expose skills from the default Claude Skills directory. The FastMCP server is initialized with a label, Claude Skills, which serves as an identifier in MCP protocol handshakes. The ClaudeSkillsProvider is then added to the server, automatically pointing to the default directory /Claude/skills/. This provider extends SkillsDirectoryProvider, which scans the specified directory for valid skill folders containing a skill, MD, file and exposes them as MCP resources. The provider pattern is crucial here as it allows the FastMCP server to aggregate resources from multiple sources seamlessly. In this case, the ClaudeSkillsProvider acts as a source of skills, making them discoverable and accessible to clients through the MCP protocol. This approach is particularly useful for organizing components across different sources without tightly coupling them, enabling modularity and flexibility in server composition. Using the ClaudeSkillsProvider simplifies the setup by leveraging the pre-configured default directory, reducing the need for manual path specification. This is beneficial in scenarios where you want to quickly expose skills from a well-known location, such as the Claude Skills directory, without additional configuration overhead. The trade-off is that the directory path is locked to the platform default, which may not be suitable if you need to customize the skills directory location. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Imports the FastMCP class from the FastMCP module, which is the main class for creating MCP model context protocol servers. This import alone doesn't create any server instance or configure anything. It just makes the FastMCP class available for use in the current scope. From FastMCP server provider skills, import ClaudeSkillsProvider. Imports the ClaudeSkillsProvider class from the FastMCP server provider skills module, which provides access to Claude AI skills as MCP resources. MCP equals FastMCP Claude Skills. Creates a FastMCP server instance with the identifier Claude Skills that will be visible to clients during MCP protocol handshakes. The string parameter serves only as a server label for identification purposes and does not configure any functional behavior or operational mode. MCP. Add provider ClaudeSkillsProvider hash uses /Claude/skills/. Adds a ClaudeSkillsProvider instance to the FastMCP server's provider collection, which exposes AI skills from the default Claude Skills directory /. Claude/skills/ as discoverable MCP resources. The provider scans this directory to make skill files and instructions available to connected clients through the Model Context Protocol. The FastMCP provider pattern enables modular resource discovery by aggregating components from multiple sources through a unified interface. Here, the ClaudeSkillsProvider extends this pattern to expose skills from the default Claude directory /Claude/skills/ as standardized MCP resources. The server initialization with FastMCP Claude Skills creates a labeled MCP server, while AddProvider integrates the provider, which scans for skill folders containing skill MD files. This design choice simplifies setup by leveraging platform defaults, but trades flexibility for convenience, locking the directory path to the vendor-specific location. The key insight is how the provider pattern decouples resource sources from server implementation, allowing seamless aggregation of skills across tools while maintaining a consistent MCP interface for clients.
The SkillsDirectoryProvider discovers skills by not looking, then serves them without touching.